Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about this beautiful lock and lock dispenser that I use for the food for my dogs, my cats. Keeping my feline friends fed and happy can be a daily adventure. One of the challenges I faced was maintaining the freshness of his food. That's when I discovered the Lock and Lock Easy Essential Food Lids container. The airtight seal keeps the kibble fresh and crunchy, just like she loves it. The convenient flip top lid allows me to easily scoop out the perfect portion without making a mess. And it clicks shut securely, preventing any spills or leaks. The clear plastic lets me see exactly how much food is left at a glance, so I can easily refill before my cat throws a hungry tantrum. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to store your pet's food, I highly recommend checking it out. But that's my point of view.